elements of harmony. See Mare and the Moon?
But that's just an old pony's tale.
She will bring about nighttime eternal. It's imperative that the princess is told right away. I knew she would want to take immediate action.
My dear Twilight, there is more to a young pony's life than studying. Make some friends.
All the ponies in this town are crazy! I hope the princess was right.
She's gone.
Oh no, Nightmare Moon. My little pony, my little pony. Ah, my little pony. I used to wonder what friendship could be. My little pony. Until you all shared its magic with me. Big adventure, tons of fun. A beautiful heart, faithful and strong. Sharing kindness, it's an easy feat. And magic makes it all complete. You have mine. Do they know you're all my very best friends?
Seize her! Only she knows where the princess is! Stand back, you fools! Come back here! Nighttime? Forever? Where's she going? We gotta stop Nightmare!
You've been up all night, Spike. You are a baby dragon, after all. Elements, elements, elements. Ugh! How can I stop Nightmare Moon without the elements of harmony?
And just what are the elements of harmony? And how did you know about Nightmare Moon, huh? Are you a spy? Whoa! Simmer down, Sally. She ain't no spy. But she sure knows what's going on. Don't you, Twilight?
I read all about the prediction of Nightmare Moon. Some mysterious objects called the elements of harmony are the only things that can stop her. But I don't know what they are, where to find them. I don't even know what they do.
The Elements of Harmony, a reference guide.
How did you find that?
It was under E.
Oh. There are 6 elements of harmony, but only 5 are known. Kindness, laughter, generosity, honesty, and loyalty. The 6th is a complete mystery. It is said the last known location of the 5 elements was in the ancient castle of the Royal Pony Sisters. It is located in what is now
The Everfree Forest. Whee! Let's go!
Not so fast. Look, I appreciate the offer, but I'd really rather do this on my own.
No can do, Sugar Cube. We sure ain't letting any friend of ours go into that creepy place alone. We're sticking to you like caramel on a candy apple.
Especially if there's candy apples in there. What? Those things are good.
So, none of you have been in here before?
Heavens, no. Just look at it. It's dreadful. And it ain't natural. Folks say it don't work the same as Equestria.
What's that supposed to mean?
No pony knows. You know why? Rainbow quit it. 'Cause every pony who's ever come in has never come out. Ah! Fluttershy, quick!
Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Ah!
Hold on, I'm a-coming. Applejack, what do I do? Let go.
Are you crazy?
No, I ain't. I promise you'll be safe.
That's not true.
Now listen here. What I'm saying to you is the honest truth. Let go, and you'll be safe.
Ah!
Phew.
Ah! Sorry, girls. I'm not used to holding anything more than a bunny or two.
And once Pinky and Rarity were safe, whoosh! Me and Fluttershy looped a loop around and wham! Caught you right in the nick of time.
Yes, Rainbow, I was there. And I'm very grateful. But we gotta...
A Manticore! We've got to get past him. Take that, you ruffian! My hair!
Wait.
Yeehaw! Get along, little doggy!
Wait.
Whoa! All yours, partner. I'm on it.
Wait.
Rainbow!
It's okay. Oh, you poor, poor little baby.
Little?
Now, this might hurt for just a second.
Fluttershy!
Oh, you're just a little old baby kitty, aren't you? Yes, you are. Yes, you are.
How did you know about the thorn?
I didn't. Sometimes we all just need to be shown a little kindness.
No, my eyes need a rest from all this icky muck. Well, I didn't mean that literally. That ancient ruin could be right in front of our faces and we wouldn't even know it. I didn't see you there. My apologies. Right here. Oh, wait. I think I stepped in something. It's just mud. Pinky, what are you doing? Run!
Oh, girls, don't you see? When I was a little filly and the sun was going down,
Tell me she's
the darkness and the shadows, they would always make me frown.
She is.
I'd hide under my pillow from what I thought I saw, but Grammy Pie said that wasn't the way to deal with fears at all.
Then what is?
She said, Pinky, you gotta stand up tall. Learn to face your fears. You'll see that they can't hurt you. Just laugh to make them disappear. Ha, ha, ha. So giggle at the ghostly, guffaw at the grossly, crack up at the creepy, whoop it up with the weepy, chortle at the kooky, snortle at the spooky. And tell that victim scary face to take a hike and leave you alone. And if he thinks he can scare you, then he's got another thing coming. And the very idea of such a thing just makes you wanna How are we gonna cross this?
What a world! What a world!
Excuse me, sir. Why are you crying?
Well, I don't know. I was just sitting here, minding my own business, when this tacky little cloud of purple smoke just whisked past me and tore half of my beloved mustache clean off. And now I look simply horrid. Oh!
Oh, give me a break. That's what all the fuss is about? Why, of course it is. How can you be so insensitive? Oh, just look at him. Such lovely luminescent scales.
I know.
And your expertly coiffed mane.
Oh, I know.
Your fabulous manicure.
It's so true.
All ruined without your beautiful mustache.
It's true, I'm hideous.
I simply cannot let such a crime against fabulosity go uncorrected.
Ow! What did you do that for?
Rarity, what are you...
Oh! My mustache! How wonderful!
You look smashing. Oh, Rarity, your beautiful tail. Oh, it's fine, my dear. Short tails are in this season. Besides, it'll grow back. So would the mustache. We can cross now. Let's go. Ah!
Allow me.
There it is! The ruin that holds the elements of harmony. We made it! Twilight, wait for us! We're almost there! What's with you and falling off cliffs today?
Now what?
Duh.
Oh, yeah.
Who's there? I ain't scared of you! Show yourself!
We've been eagerly awaiting the arrival of the best flyer in Equestria.
Who?
Why, you, of course.
Really? I mean, oh yeah, me. Hey, you wouldn't mind telling the Wonderbolts that, would ya? 'Cause I've been trying to get into that group for, like, ever.
No, Rainbow Dash. We want you to join us, the Shadow Bolts. We're the greatest aerial team in the Everfree Forest, and soon we will be the greatest in all Equestria. But first, we need a captain. The most magnificent,
Yep.
swiftest,
Yes,
bravest flyer in all the land.
yes, it's all true.
We need you.
Woohoo! Sign me up! Just let me tie this bridge real quick, and then we have a deal.
No! It's them or us.
Rainbow! What's taking so long? Oh no. Rainbow! Don't listen to them!
Well,
You. Thank you for the offer, I mean. But I'm afraid I have to say no. Good job, Rainbow. See? I'd never leave my friends hanging. Whoa. Come on, Twilight. Isn't this what you've been waiting for? The elements of harmony. We found them. Careful, careful.
1, 2, 3, 4. There's only 5. Where's the 6th?
The book said, when the 5 are present, a spark will cause the 6th element to be revealed. What in the hay is that supposed to mean? I'm not sure, but I have an idea. Stand back. I don't know what will happen. Come on now, y'all. She needs to concentrate.
you're kidding. You're kidding, right?
one spark. Come on, come on. No! No! But where's the sixth element?
You little fool! Thinking you could defeat me! Now you will never see your princess or your son. The night will last
You think you can destroy the elements of harmony just like that? Well, you're wrong, because the spirits of the elements of harmony are right here!
What?
Applejack, who reassured me when I was in doubt, represents the spirit of honesty. Fluttershy, who tamed the manticore with her compassion, represents the spirit of kindness. Pinkie Pie, who banished fear by giggling in the face of danger, represents the spirit of laughter. Rarity, who calmed a sorrowful serpent with a meaningful gift, represents the spirit of generosity. And Rainbow Dash, who could not abandon her friends for her own heart's desire, represents the spirit of loyalty. The spirits of these 5 ponies got us through every challenge you threw at us.
You still don't have the sixth element! The spark didn't work!
But it did. A different kind of spark. I felt it the very moment I realized how happy I was to hear you, to see you, how much I cared about you. The spark ignited inside me when I realized that you all are my friends. You see, Nightmare Moon, when those elements are ignited by the spark that resides in the heart of us all, it creates the sixth element, the element of magic.
Every pony okay?
Oh, thank goodness!
Why, Rarity, it's so lovely.
I know! I'll never part with it again!
No, your necklace. It looks just like your cutie mark.
What? Oh, so does yours!
Look at mine! Look at mine!
Oh, yeah!
Gee, Twilight, I thought you were just spouting a lot of hooey. But I reckon we really do represent the elements of friendship. Indeed you do.
Princess Celestia!
Twilight Sparkle, my faithful student. I knew you could do it.
But you told me it was all an old ponytail.
I told you that you needed to make some friends. Nothing more. I saw the signs of Nightmare Moon's return, and I knew it was you who had the magic inside to defeat her. But you could not unleash it until you let true friendship into your heart. Now, if only another will as well. Princess Luna. It has been 1,000 years since I have seen you like this. Time to put our differences behind us. We were meant to rule together, little sister.
Sister?
Will you accept my friendship?
Whoa!
I'm so sorry. I missed you so much, big sister.
I've missed you too.
Hey! You know what this calls for? A party!
Why so glum, my faithful student? Are you not happy that your quest is complete and you can return to your studies in Canterlot?
That's just it. Just when I learn how wonderful it is to have friends, I have to leave them.
Spike, take a note, please. I, Princess Celestia, hereby decree that the unicorn Twilight Sparkle shall take on a new mission for Equestria. She must continue to study the magic of friendship. She must report to me her findings from her new home in Ponyville.
Oh, thank you, Princess Celestia. I'll study harder than ever before.
Isn't this exciting? Are you excited? Because I'm excited. I've never been so excited. Well, except for the time that went, but I mean